Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com, where you can enjoy all of the member features like the live chat room, educational videos, and the real-time option and stock alerts. If you're not already a member, go ahead and visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com. So this is your midday market report for November 4th, 2015. We're going to be taking a look at a bunch of charts here. First chart we're looking at is the 15-minute chart of the S&P 500. All of the charts that we're going to be covering are going to be the 15-minute chart. So we're looking at the S&P 500. We've got this nice uptrend line right here. We've got resistance right here that the S&P 500 is contending with right now is that 210.60 level. As you can see, it was support here for a few candles, and then we finally broke below it and then tagged the 210 level, but bounced, okay? Nice bounce in progress. And now we've got this downtrend line here to contend with. And if we can break above that downtrend line and the 210.60 level, I think that the S&P 500 will be heading higher on the day. Moving on to Apple. Again, nice, beautiful uptrend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches right here. Now we're just looking to break over these candles right here, and it looks like we're about to do that. So let's see where, so the close of this candle right here, the highest close right there is 122.67. So if we can break over 122, about 122.70, I think that Apple is going to be heading back up to this level up here. I'll go ahead and I'll draw that for you. And that's resistance up here right about 123.50, 123.60 is going to be resistance up there. And I believe that if Apple breaks over this 122.70 mark, that it is heading to that area. Taking a look at Google, really nice breakout over the previous all-time highs. The previous all-time high was 752.50. We broke over that on the opening 15-minute drive, and then we consolidated above that level for a while, and Google held strong while the S&P 500 was declining. So that was a really good sign of strength. Next, resistance in the level, in the way rather, is this previous high that we made earlier today, and we're coming up to it right now, and that high is 756.80. So if we can break over that, we have room to 760, possibly in the 765 range would be kind of my max target on the day for Google, okay? Taking a look at Win, a broken trend line right here, and we broke below this support right here. I don't necessarily like shorting it at this point down in the hole. I don't like it long either. Just making an observation that we did break that trend line on the 15-minute chart, and we are holding below this support of 72.80, okay? Taking a look at LinkedIn, we are trading above resistance right here, as you can see. This 240, let's see, what level is that? About 246 was the previous resistance. We broke over that and we retested it, bounced off of it again. So the 246 is support, and the resistance on excuse me, on LinkedIn is the highs over here at about 250.50, okay? Taking a look at Amazon, what more can you say about Amazon? Pretty clear breakout over these highs right here, break over 630 on that opening candle, and then straight up from there. So that was the nice long signal to get long on that break over the previous highs of 630. We hit our target of 640 already that I had come up with last week. So we'll see where it goes from here, but definitely looking really bullish for Amazon as it is making out to new all-time highs. Really bullish. So taking a look at Netflix, again, really solid breakout. We've got this nice uptrend line that I'm going to draw for you right here. Look at that. Beautiful uptrend line. Eventually that's going to come down and test it. So draw this trend line yourself because it's going to be valid for a pretty long time, I think, and it's going to provide some nice long entries for Netflix. If you look at the daily chart for Netflix, let's see if I can pull it up here. Pretty clear breakout over this downtrend line on the daily chart. Okay, really nice breakout here. I believe that Netflix is set up for much higher prices. I'm targeting about the 120 area, resistance right up there. In the near term, I'm targeting that 120 area. Eventually, I think it could go higher, but conservatively, I am targeting the 120 area with the break over this trend line right here. Okay, really nice trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches before it finally broke over. So it's definitely a key breakout here today on this move, and I don't think that it should be ignored by anyone. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully that is going to help you out in today's trading and in future trading. If you found this video at all helpful, go ahead and check us out. Visit www.thetradinganalyst.com. Sign up today and start receiving alerts tomorrow.